There's a lot to like about daily disposable contact lenses. No cleaning or maintenance. They're great for traveling. They're easy for lens newbies. If you like glasses sometimes, you've got the flexibility to wear what you want. And they're always fresh and comfortable since you use a new pair every day. But whether they've got the comfort to last as long as you do each day, well, that's another story. One day, Acuvue Moist brand contact lenses with LACREON Technology can help give that story a happy ending. One day, Acuvue Moist brand contacts are made of hydrogel. Hydrogels hold water and use it to carry the oxygen your eyes need to stay fresh. To keep lenses feeling moisture longer, some lens makers add a wetting agent to the packing solution. But every time you blink, a bit of that wetting agent wipes away. By day's end, there may not be enough left to keep your lenses feeling as moist. Exclusive LACREON technology from Acuvue brand embeds a wetting agent into the lens material itself. It's permanent, creating a cushion of moisture that won't blink away. Your lenses feel moisture longer, and your eyelids will glide comfortably over the lens all day, even when you're staring down things that can annoy your eyes. If dust or pollen makes your eyes itch, one day Acuvue Moist brand contact lenses with LACREON technology can help. Since you use a fresh pair every day, nature's little nuisances can't build up like they can with lenses you wear over and over. When you go with one day Acuvue Moist brand contact lenses with LACREON technology, you'll enjoy everything Acuvue brand does to make comfort convenient.